Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy. And today, I'm here with you, Ty, Tanner, and Kyle. Today, we'll be doing some doorbell dishes. It's going to be short, and we're going to do one scary person.
I'll do it.
What person is this?
It's up
Here.
there. I'll do it.
Okay, you're hold it.
Is that the ground? Okay. We're showing the ground for our safety so we don't get any addresses in this video. Just so you know.
First.
That's probably because there were sprinklers on my eyes.
Wait, where's the scary guy?
They're up there.
Oh, shoot. No,
These guys will most likely have a dog that will come chase us. Or not chase us, but try and find us. We're going to sprint back.
we're going to go inside.
We're going to go
the
to...
house.
No, let's just... No, because that's what happened last time, remember?
No,
Let's not do it because they'll find us. Let's just go to Tanner's house.
Yeah,
All right, we're just going to go to Tanner's house.
right after. And we'll go in the bedroom.
Yeah.
No, we have to be able to see him though. I'll stay out here.
Exactly, we'll go in the bedroom and look. No, Kyle.
The door's open too.
They're watching TV too.
Okay, this one's going to be hard because they have a clear door. Frick.
The address is right there. Just don't get that in there.
Okay.
Out. And don't get that face.
Okay, you guys, wait there.
So let's go to the
Okay, here I go. Frick. Oh, shoot. Car. You're done.
End it.
Bro. Already? No, let's go see if they open.
Just all our equipment, I guess. I'm like,
Oh shoot! Oh man! Bro, he's coming! Hide! Bro! Go! Dude, that was so sketchy! Oh,
Don't look at them.
oh my god. Williams. Bro. Dude, that's so sketchy.
Yeah, I know.
Where's Ty? Bro, where's Ty? Dude. Oh my gosh.
They caught me.
They did?
No.
Oh my god. Alright guys, that's it for today. See y'all tomorrow. Peace.